I think we need inspectorates and regulators in order to give assurance to the public about the quality of the services they both need and will receive. And it's really important that we're able to inspect every day of the week to ensure that we are getting good public services for people, and that those services that are good we promote so that we show the improvement that can be made by others who may be struggling.
Well, clearly public service is a huge part of our lives, and we must have public accountability. And I think independent advice on how well our public services are run is very, very important to the ordinary citizen.
One of the challenges we do face is letting the public know that we're here and letting them know what we do, and it's important that we hear directly from patients, directly from users and carers what's important to them, and also to let them know how they can provide us with the feedback on the care that they receive, both good and bad, so that we can use it to help focus our work.
The reason the Wales Audit Office has chosen to be here at the Royal Welsh and join with our Inspection Wales partners, because if our role is to give assurance to the public that public funds are being spent wisely, we need to engage with the public. We need to know how best to communicate with them. We need to know how to engage with them and also to listen to their views. This has to be a two-way channel, and we can share what we know and what we intend to do, but we can most importantly listen to members of the public.
And there are times when we need to do things together. I mean, together stronger is a really good strapline for it, for us as well as for Wales generally.